In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shared drive using the Google Drive node in N8n, step by step. If you're building automations in N8n and you want to organize files, collaborate with a team, or set up a shared workspace, this is a simple action that can save you time and keep everything structured. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n automation tips and workflow tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This can be an existing automation or a new workflow you're setting up from scratch. Once you're inside the canvas, look at the Nodes panel and search for Google Drive. This is the node you'll use to connect to Google Drive and perform Drive-related actions. After you select the Google Drive node, add it to your workflow. Once the node is on the canvas, open its settings so you can configure the action. In the Operation dropdown, choose Create Shared Drive. This tells N8n that you want to create a brand new shared drive rather than upload files or manage folders. Now you can configure the settings for the shared drive the way you want. Add the name for your shared drive and adjust any available options based on how you want it organized. Make sure the configuration matches your use case, whether that's for a team project, a client workspace, or internal file management. Once everything looks good, save your workflow and run the node to test it. If the setup is correct, N8n will create the shared drive in your Google Drive account. From there, you can use it in the rest of your automation to store files, share access, or connect it with other workflow steps. And that's it. You've now created a shared drive using the Google Drive node in N8n. It's a straightforward process, but it's very useful when you want to automate drive organization as part of a larger workflow. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more N8n tutorials, Google Drive automation guides, and easy step-by-step workflow videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.